Welcome to Tekedia Daily. I'm Ndubuisi, Ekekwe. Today we'll be looking at why Africa, indeed specifically Nigeria, needs Amazon, the e-commerce giant in America, to actually come into the country to run an operation. The construct of this conversation is based on the fact that the hook element of core competency, we are increasingly seeing it being largely destroyed. Most companies are doing many things now. They are branching into areas where you may say they don't necessarily have a lot of capability to actually operate. Google, a search engine company, today has a self-driverless car program. And you have Amazon just bought Whole Foods, a grocery chain. And you move into Facebook. It has gone into augmented reality. It's also working on essentially providing internet service provision in so many parts of emerging and the developing world. So if you look at these companies, you just see that they see the world as one sector. Anyone can participate in it. This whole construct of division of sectors may not necessarily be applicable. So everyone is doing everything, and they are doing these things at scale. But there is something so unique about Amazon. Amazon is the only company that has brought the fusion of the cyberspace and the mid-space, the physical world and the virtual world. And we believe vividly if he comes into Africa, he can actually help us to solve some very important problems. Unlike Facebook, Google, Microsoft, and some of these other companies, most of them are largely looking for addition of IP address in their ecosystem. Okay, there is another IP address, there is another person coming from Nigeria. It doesn't necessarily matter whether it's Nigeria, New York City, or whether it's Brazil. Or we know that Facebook is adding members. But Amazon has something that this continent, or specifically Nigeria, actually needs. Amazon can help us improve our delivery system if it has operations here. It can help us build new airports in order to facilitate the movement of goods and services as it supports its big programs across the continent. Amazon can also help us fix our postal system. I think the Amazon postal system can become the African postal system. Amazon can also invest in creation of content. This is where Amazon is a very big differentiator. Instead of those that are just aggregate the content that we have already created, Amazon can fund artists, musicians, and people that can actually make content for Amazon Africa Prime so that we can actually watch our content. And I do believe that Amazon will support artisans, makers. Just go to Aba, open up a fulfillment center, and say, Aba shoemakers, please begin to list your shoes on Amazon.com. Just like that, Amazon will open a new market for all the shoemakers in Aba, reaching all Africa and beyond. And when they buy, simply they take it to the fulfillment center where Amazon takes care of it. So this will become a very massive project because Amazon can also provide capital as it does. Pursuing those that are already doing well, it can give them loans. Amazon will provide, I think, that possibility that we have been looking for. How can we improve the intra-African trade? At the time people from Ethiopia sells to people in Nigeria, Nigeria sells to Gabon, Gabon to Cameroon, and all over across Africa, from the north to the east, to the south, to the west, we will see that African intra-trade will run across the Amazon ecosystem. And I see that when that happens, we can see that virtual currency running across the Amazon currency. Someone will say, is it not the next phase of colonization? Please don't say that. We welcome any kind of investment into this African continent. Because if they don't come, this problem may just be here for generations. How many years in Nigeria are we still looking for electricity? If we can find somebody that can come and give us just 8 hours of electricity at least, I think we'll be fine. So let's not just say, hey, bringing Amazon to come to fix this problem means that they are coming to recolonize Africa. That's not true. Think about this. This is a massive infrastructure investment. Amazon is not just coming to sell you books. Amazon is not just coming for you to list your books. Amazon is coming to basically invest in infrastructure because we don't have any. So for Amazon to actually come, Amazon has to be ready to actually invest. This is the company that bought a grocery chain. He understands the importance of the mid space in order to drive what he's doing in the digital space. And we do believe vividly that we have got so many things that Amazon would like to improve upon. And the good news is that when Amazon improves the logistical system, it opens it up to people that sell in Amazon. When it improves any sector, any specific area, it makes it available to people that sell in Amazon. And Amazon cannot succeed until the people that sell on Amazon, they have succeeded. Because Amazon is an ecosystem company. So the sellers have to do well for Amazon to do well. Because if they don't sell, Amazon doesn't get a commission. And that is why I am confident that people will begin to talk to this company. Jeff Bezos, we need you in Africa. Of course, we still love Facebook, Microsoft, and Google, and all of them. We still want you people to stay. But we really need Amazon desperately with the fierce urgency of now because we need someone who can help us to fix not just the digital world, but also the physical one. You are listening to Tekedia Daily.